Solga, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at the second question from Digital SAT Test 3 Module 2B. This is a harder set of math questions. Number 2 reads, in a figure, line M is parallel to line N. T intersects both lines. What is the value of X? So, when you're doing these questions, we would call these parallel lines and a transversal. Now, usually we see it this way, parallel lines this way, and a transversal that way. Regardless, either way you write it, I'm writing it not the same way that this is written. Now, back in the day when you were in geometry, you had to know that alternate interior angles are equal, vertical angles are equal. You had to know that corresponding angles were equal. Alternate exterior angles are equal. You don't have to remember any of that stuff. For the purpose of SAT, all you need to know is that all the acute angles are equal, all the obtuse angles are equal, and every acute obtuse pair adds to 180. So for example, if this is 60 degrees, then that's 120 because it's obtuse. This is 60 because it's acute. 120 is obtuse. 120 is obtuse. 60 is acute. 60 is acute. 120 is obtuse. Done. So when I'm looking at this question, all I got to see is, hey, I have an acute angle. I've got an obtuse angle. So they have to add to equals 180 degrees. And then if I subtract 33 from both sides, boom, you get X equals 147. Answer D is correct. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who is rusty on parallel lines and a transversal. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Check out our 1-minute videos. If you go to YouTube, Ivy Masters Learning Center, go to the playlist, and then find your test and module number, and you'll find the shorter videos are just above these longer videos. And click subscribe. Check out this other video on transversals. Have a great day.